belongs to the short boxes. That belongs to Dave Lasser with a time of 1 minute 44. You know, I have a really strong feeling. All hands in that GMCC now. In the Tursky and Hutch. He told me, he says, I'm going for some big air today. So folks, if you want to see some craziness, this guy wants to be the crowd pleaser. Are you ready? Because I think you're going to see some right now. Here we go. Dad brings his truck in year after year and has some fun with it. But he is making lots of noise. Make some noise for Dan Ward in the Unito track. Ladies and gentlemen, he's qualified about the flat tire. He doesn't care. He's keeping going. Dan Ward in the Unito track. Try to entertain you folks. Make some noise. Dan Ward in the Unito track. Come on. Folks, Kirk Dougal, do we see some air? Do we see some air? The guy's a madman!
Look at that box twisted up.
One thing I do have to give these long boxes, they are giving early hands to get some air. Look at that front end. Twists. That all kinds of Put up a time of 1:44. That's 11 seconds slower. He does not like to. Get ready, are you ready? I actually don't think Jamie's used the brake once. Actually, I just see brake lights come on, so I'm lying. This guy is flying. Make some noise. Tursky and Hutch, come on. Jeez Louise. Make some noise. Tursky and Hutch, 1 minute 53. Very close, only 7 seconds behind. Very doable. This is a very close competition. tell is that he got his. Folks, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Part 2! That happen each and every year. We do appreciate you, Dusty. Make some noise for Dusty as he makes his way towards that finish line.
Hole in the grass.